So in less than 5 minutes, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about the Afrinvestor 2.0 app and how to go about investing using the app. It's a very straightforward application. All you have to do is to download it from your Play Store or Apple Store and get started with the registration. The registration process is very easy. You have to submit some documents. They'll ask for your BVN, your bank account details, and any other details they ask from you. Afrinvestor 2.0 is not a scamming brokerage company, so you should not be afraid that once you're giving them that detail, they'll scam you or whatever sort. When you want to go about investing, there are lots of details will be asking from you so that we'll get started with giving you a CSN number and your CSCS number. Once you've gotten this number, you can get started with investing. So when you want to get started with investing, there are some persons that don't really understand the interface of this application, and that's the reason I'm making this video. I've been using Afrinvestor 2.0 for a period of time now. I understand their interface, and I want to guide you on how to go about understanding this interface for yourself and for you to start investing. So let's go on to my screen. So once you enter the Afrinvestor 2.0, you'll be seeing something like this. That's your dashboard, your fund, your wallet, continue your investment journey, and when you come down, you'll be seeing it today's biggest mover, and you see the percentage by gainers by percentage. You see gainers by value. Once you shift there, it will be losers by value. So all these parameters helps you to invest. For instance, now if you check the gainers by percentage, you can see the companies out there, and you can choose to invest with those companies or stock that company to know if you buy their stock. So apart from that, now you're seeing the fund wallet. Once you click on fund wallet, you'll be able to put in the amount you want to fund your wallet in. Maybe it's 20,000 naira, 100,000 naira. After you've put in the amounts, then you can be able to fund your wallet. They'll give you an account number you fund, and once you fund that account number, you click on you funded your wallet, and you can get started with investing or doing anything you want to do. Now coming back, you can see that there's 305 stock listed on Afrinvestor 2.0. Once you click on it, you'll be seeing the list of companies you can invest in. So you can just scroll down to see all those companies you wish to invest in. You can see all of them listed there, 305, and you can click on this other section or this other tab there. You can see there is the bond. There are lots of bonds listed on Afrinvestor, and the price range if you want to invest in those bonds. You can see that the tenure till July 2029 until July 2030. You can see all those bonds out there if you want to invest. Going back to the home section, if you don't want to invest in stock, there's commercial paper. Currently there's 0 offer on commercial paper. If you visit the application, when there's commercial paper, you see the offer. You can see maybe 2 to 3 offers or even 6 offers depending on the offers that are currently available on Afrinvestor. You can also see that there's no treasury bill. Now treasury bill is available from Monday to Friday, but from the hours of 11 to 2. So that's when you can check. When I'm recording this video, it's not 2 o'clock. That's why you're not seeing any treasury bill here. So you can see all that. If you want to invest in treasury bill, once you click on that, you'll see the treasury bill. Then you can then click on the treasury bill you want to invest in. But now since there's no treasury bill, I cannot click. So when we are done with the home tab, you can come to the portfolio tab. Now the portfolio tab is a tab that makes you see your portfolios. So you can see that my portfolio it's still encrypted. I don't want to really show you the amount I have in my portfolio, but you can see that the equity and bond I have 42.23%. for it treasury bill and commercial paper I have 57.71% that makes up my portfolio. You can see that fixed deposit notes and the rest of them. You can see your wallet balance. If you just click on this I or to unencrypt it, you can then see the number. You can see the amount of portfolio you have. You can also click on that. You can see the watch list where you can watch your investment or track your investment. So if you are wanting to watch a stock or track a stock, you can star it, and you can see that you can track it down there in the watch list section. Now when you click on invest, it's just like the Nigerian stock market where you'll be seeing lots of stock. You'll see the treasury bill, you see commercial paper, and your Afri tracker. When you click on wallet, you can see where you can withdraw your money. You can also see where you can deposit some cash on Afrinvestor 2.0. So you can see if you want to withdraw, you just click there, withdraw, and it'll tell you to put the amount you want to withdraw. Then if you want to deposit, you just do the same thing, click on it. It's just like fund your wallet. So aside that, you can then click on more. Now when you click on more, you can see some of your other information, and you can click on your transactions, the settings, and other information. So basically this is how to use Afrinvestor 2.0 wallet. It's straightforward. It's not something that is too complicated, very much straightforward. I can get investing and start getting profitable as an investor. And one thing you should realize is that I'm not being paid to make videos on Afrinvestor 2.0 or Optimus by Afrinvestor. Just that these are the brokerage companies I use for my investments, and that's why I can recommend it to people, because of so far so good they have been doing greatly, and I can recommend it to my audience. You can go ahead using some other brokerage company out there depending on which one you want to use. Myself, I'm using Afrinvestor 2.0 and Optimus for my investment. We're dropping a link in the description of of this video for Optimus so that I can sign up and get started with investing in funds like mutual funds and also the US stock market. If you want more content like this, do want to hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. You can drop your comment also in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends. Till our next one, peace.